Hey Lovey, so today I'm just going to show you how you can make over your front door wreath from an old one that you already have. If you're interested, let's go. Okay, so the items that you're going to need today are some scissors, a glue gun, an old wreath, and flowers of your choice. I got all of mine from the Dollar Tree for $1. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you what I'm starting with, which is an old wreath that I already had. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to show you real quick the flowers that I'm using that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I chose to use some pink and yellow for spring, summer. Just want to ask you to subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit the notification bell if you haven't. Thank you. Alright, so basically what I'm doing is just showing you how I'm taking off all of the old flowers that I had. This actually is a wreath that I've had for about 5 or 6 years. It was originally done by my cousin who was doing wreaths, and I have kind of revamped it every year since then. So for fall I change up the colors, and then for spring I change up the colors. What I'm removing now is the colors I have for the fall, and so I'm just gonna be taking all those off. And if you'll notice, I'm leaving the little green plastic, like I guess you call it, a little cup that holds the flowers in place. I'm leaving those randomly. I'm not removing those from the old flowers. I'm going to kind of leave those there so I can have a little bit of an area to have placement when I place the new ones. So I'll let you watch that really quick, and I'll come back in a second. I just want to say real quick that this probably will be the last year that I'll be able to revamp it or do a makeover on it, because the burlap, as you can see, is shredding a little bit, and that really comes from it being on the front door with the sun hitting it. So this probably be the last year, so I'll be saying bye-bye to it, but it served its purpose. So just trying to show you that you can make it look, if you have something old, you can make it look new. Just put a different spin on it, and you can do it for fairly cheap. Like I said, I got all of my flowers from the Dollar Tree for $1. Alright, so I'm finishing up here for what I'm going to be taking off. Clean it up a little bit. Alright, there you go. So now I'm showing you where I've put some of the green leaves. I've pulled away the pink flowers from the actual stem that they came on, and I also saved some of the green leaves from that. And so now I'm just going to start spreading them around. I am really all about symmetry. Yeah, be sure to follow me on social media at K.Noiree. I'm on Snapchat, which is I'm not very active, still learning. But I'm on Snapchat, Facebook, and Instagram, so please follow me. Alright, so here I'm using the glue gun to just put a little glue on the bottom of the flowers around the plastic part there, and then sticking it on the leaves, the green leaves that I've kind of placed where I would like to put flowers at. I just want to give you a little bit of a warning. If you're using a glue gun, please be very careful. The glue is very hot, and sometimes it can make you say some choice words if you get it on you. Yes, I'm just spreading them all out. Now I'm going to take my next color, which is like a yellow daisy like, and I've also pulled those away. It's off camera though, so, but they're in another little pile on the floor. Just trying to spread these around. I originally was not going to even film this, but I thought I was, sitting around, and I thought I would, redo my door wreath one day, and I thought after I got started, I figured I would stop and get my camera and just record it real quick. So I hope that you like it, and I hope that you can see that it is very easy to do. and you can do your own. Don't throw it. If you have an old wreath, don't throw it away. Make it over. Yeah. So now it's just showing there that I don't really want to put that one right there. I'm gonna looking at how my symmetry is looking, so I decided not to go with the lighter color daisy. I went back with the yellow one. And you can do it however you like. I mean, it's all about how you want it to come together for what, you know, you love. This is just what I loved, and it came together really well, I think, for me. Okay, so we're just continuing to go around and plug it in where you feel you need to. Okay, just showing you kind of how it looks. So far, it looks pretty good, I think. Yes. Okay. So now here comes my initial. I used the letter N for my last name. I actually painted this off camera. It was green with polka dots that I had put on it. It was green with gold polka dots that I had for the fall. So I went and just painted it white. I did that off camera. I'm sorry I didn't. Like I said, I wasn't planning to record this. But anyway, so now I'm just positioning it where I want it. And I'm going to take my glue gun and glue it on there. Be very careful with this part because you can burn yourself with that glue seeping through some of the burlap, the little holes. So be careful. Yeah, you get that position where you want it. All around, make sure you go to every end of your letter. Now the letter I picked up from Hobby Lobby, I think it was. Might have been maybe $2 or $3. I can't really remember. But it comes unfinished and you can paint it whatever color you like. Sometimes you can find them already in white too. So. Okay. Looking good. So yeah, I'm just going through now, cleaning up a little bit, repositioning, adding some more glue to different sections that may need it so that they stick well and won't fall off when I put it on the front door. And that's pretty much it. Like I said again, you can pick up flowers. They have really pretty flowers, you know, silk flowers at the Dollar Tree for $1. And, you know, just put some colors together that you like and just make it work. Play around with it. It doesn't have to be perfect. And see what you like. So yeah, if you have a front door wreath already that you have and you want to try your hand at it, or if you've already done something like this before, or if you do little projects like this, leave me some comments down in the description and let me know about it. I'd love to hear what you do or how you do it. Looks really, really nice. Love it. So yeah, I'm going to go hang this on my front door. I have a door hanger, a wreath hanger that I'm going to hang it on and put it on the front door. And that's the picture you saw at the very beginning of the video. So yeah, looks good. Well, I hope you like this video and I hope it will help you in some way. If it does, let me know. Until then, I'll see you in my next video. I hope you have a wonderful day. Yay!